Hello guys and welcome to second lecture of basic video course. In this video we will discuss few techniques which will help you to get your first 1000 subscriber on YouTube channel. Why 1000 subscriber number is important on YouTube? It is important because it is one of the two requirements that YouTube need to get your channel monetized and start sharing revenue that it is making on your videos. So once you fulfill these two conditions, your channel will get monetized. In last video, we discussed how to create your channel on YouTube, how to upload video properly and understanding of YouTube analytics. If you missed that video, you can still go and watch this video. I'll link down here. You can go and watch that video. The first thing I want to discuss is niche or niche. Niche or niche is very important on your YouTube channel, which means that what kind of content you are uploading on your channel. For example, if you are a cooking channel, so that's your niche and you should always stick to your niche. Do not make videos about other things like politics or technology because that's not your niche. You have to focus on your niche, that is cooking. If you want to make videos on any other topic, just make another channel and start uploading there. I will never subscribe to channel which is uploading random videos about each and everything he knows about. The second topic I am going to discuss is branding. Branding is very important. It creates credibility of your YouTube channel on YouTube. If I watch a video somehow and if I visit that channel and I find this icon there, instead of having a proper logo and proper channel art, I will never subscribe to that channel because it doesn't have that credibility. Maybe this one video is very good, but I don't know if this person will upload same videos again. Maybe he own this video or not. So this channel will lose its credibility right away. For example, if you look at thumbnails of my channel, you will specifically see a pattern and identity there. I put my picture in every thumbnail. I use some specific colors to enhance my thumbnail so it gets more click. So you have to understand that how important identity is. The next topic is force users to watch your videos. And that is the basic idea of YouTube, to keep people more on YouTube and watch more and more videos. And you can do that by using end screen and cards. If you don't know about end screen and cards, you should watch my previous video because I discussed that in very detail. First we will discuss cards. Cards are the videos that appear here. You see a small notification and you have, if you click on this icon, you will see all videos I linked in card here. And end screen means when your videos are about to end, 20 seconds before ending your video, a video appear on your screen which is your recommendation for the next video. You will see at the end of this video, I will link down previous lecture here so you can have a better idea how end screen works. Number 4 is consistency. Consistency is very important on YouTube. Just consider yourself as a job holder, and if you don't appear on your job every day, the owner will not pay you and will fire you, right? Same is the case with YouTube. If you don't appear on your channel every week, YouTube will stop recommending your videos. And YouTube recommendations are very important because that is your chance to get viral and get more views and get more subscribers. So do upload consistently and visit your YouTube channel every now and then. Fifth point is very important, which is sharing your videos with friends and family. We all have people around us who are our friends and family who support anything we do. But do not just create channel and send links to these people so they can subscribe to your channel. Never do that. What you have to do is upload 4 or 5 videos and select the best video you made so far, copy its link and send it to your friends and family. Ask them to subscribe to your channel. The benefit of sharing video link as compared to channel link is that these are the people who are interested in you and they will watch your video complete. So you will get view on this video, you will get a subscriber and they might watch other videos as well. So you may have chance to get 2 or 3 more views and they will share video link to other people as well. So this is very important. The 6th point is if you have social media presence on other platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn or any other platform. So divert traffic from your social media on your YouTube channel and get subscribers. There will always be people who will like your work, who will appreciate your work, who wants to see your work. They can come here and subscribe to your channel. What you can do is create a small promo of your video and upload it on your social media and then ask people to come here if they want to watch complete video. Another tip is share your videos in related groups. What I mean by related groups, if you have a YouTube channel related to cooking, you can go on Facebook and search for cooking groups and join groups you like and then share your videos there. As you can see the results of my video, I shared this video in few groups and I get subscribers like this. So don't miss opportunities of sharing your videos in social media groups, especially Facebook. There is an underlying warning. Do not overdo it. Do not spam these groups. Do not spam people by sending links to their DMs. So don't do it. 7th point is focus on SEO. We all know that YouTube is a search engine. When people start searching for some question, the answer appears in the form of video. So you have to focus on SEO, search engine optimization of your videos. To get good results from SEO tools, you have to focus on title, description, thumbnail, and keywords. The next video I am going to make is about SEO tools, in which I will show you free and paid tools which you can use and rank your video in Google search and suggested video. So stay tuned for that, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you get notification. Point number 8 is cash in on trending topics. This is very important because the more views you have, the more subscribers you have. So you have to focus on trending topics, but don't go outside your niche. So for example, you are making videos on gadgets and techs, and you know that iPhone 12 is a new sensation here, so you can make video on that. Even if you don't have iPhone 12 right now, but you can still make video on that using stock footages, using Google Images, using stock videos, and then talk about features, advantages and disadvantages of that topic. You should also learn the skill of integrating any topic into your video. If your channel is related to entertainment and you make comedy videos, you can still catch into topic like iPhone 12, which is not related to your channel. What you can do is make a comedy sketch on iPhone 12, or you can talk about pros and cons in funny way, or you can talk about reactions of other users to iPhone 12. As long as you have comedy in your video, people will watch you and it will fall under your niche. So niche is very, very important. 9th point is call to action. You might heard a lot of YouTubers, including me, saying subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. This is very important because a lot of people are interested in your videos, but they forget to subscribe your channel. So you have to give call to action in a very, very subtle way. So people subscribe to your channel and click the bell icon. Bell icon is very important because when they click the bell icon, YouTube send notification to the user every time you upload videos. So bell icon is very important. Point number 10 is make engaging content. You have to understand that on YouTube, content is the king. If you are not making good content or engaging content, all these other tips are useless because nobody is going to watch crappy videos. I'm not saying you should go and make high production videos right from your first day, but you should show improvement in your videos. Every next video should be better than the last video. So do something extra in your next video to make it better than the last video, and focus on retention rate of your user. You have to focus on 20 to 30% retention rate on your video. So people who are clicking on your video should watch your video for 20 to 30% of your video. And that is where people actually decide to subscribe to your channel or not. Bonus tip I am going to share is start uploading YouTube shorts. If you are not uploading YouTube shorts, you are missing a lot, because this is the new hot topic in YouTube community, and I will make complete dedicated video on YouTube shorts and show you actual results from my own experience. So start uploading YouTube shorts, and how you can do that is your video should be less than 60 seconds and you should make video in portrait form, not this form, this form, and then upload on your YouTube, and in title you can include hashtag shorts. Once you start uploading shorts on your YouTube channel, it will surely bring some views. It depends on your topic, it depends upon the category and niche you are in. I myself got thousands of views, and I will show you how. I have another channel in which I am uploading shorts and doing some experiments. I will share those with you. So guys, these were few techniques I wanted to share with you to get your first 1000 subscribers, because I know how important that is. I have been through this process and I know how important that is. So the next video is coming about SEO tools, in which I will discuss how to rank your videos on YouTube search. So please consider subscribing this channel and press the bell icon, because now you know how important it is to press the bell icon. So I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.